Before we talk about the latest news in Magento and e-commerce, tell me one thing. Are you ready for the latest best-in-class P2A conference? Join the leading experts on September 29 and 30 who will discuss P2A technology, successful use cases, speed, and the latest innovations in PWAs. Grab your free seat at Go P2A conference to discover how progressive web applications will benefit your e-commerce business and skyrocket success. Follow the link in the descriptions under the video and join the conference for free. Hi, this is Vladimir. Grab a glass of something cold because we prepare a dose of crushing hot news in Magento and e-commerce. Let's start with the biggest failure of the month in the retail industry. Well, I would say to the biggest failure in summer that marketing that retailers should take a lesson from. Tiffany & Co. proved that marketing is a powerful tool, especially when it comes to a company with over 184 years of history, especially when you try to expand your audience and make a bold move to resonate with younger customers. It's predicted that millennials and Gen Z will account for 45% of global luxury sales by 2025. No surprise that Tiffany decided to build up relationship with its audience. Spoiler: company didn't choose the right means for the task. Instead of huge success, Tiffany got refreshing bucket of criticism for its latest campaign. Not your mother's Tiffany. You could see that new ads blasted all over LA and New York. Trying to attract the Gen Z audience, the company did the opposite and insulted its most loyal customers. Some even threatened to throw away their wedding rings and never set a foot in one of Tiffany's stores again. It's a great lesson that trying to connect with a new audience, you can't forget about your most devoted customers. And now let's move to some extremely exciting news. Adobe signed a partnership agreement with Walmart. Surprised, right? The new partnership will benefit Magento store owners, both those using Adobe Commerce and Magento open source. Walmart knows how to grow from brick and mortar to one of the biggest online retailers in the USA, and the company will help other offline retailers expand their operations online. Business will be available to syndicate the sell their products over online Walmart marketplace. Some of Walmart's flagship fulfillment technologies will be available for Magento store owners. They will be able to leverage Walmart fulfillment services and offer two-day shopping across the whole US. The move is beneficial for both retailers and Walmart. The marketplace will get another weapon to the arsenal for the battle with Amazon, and retailers will get a new channel to sell products and reach new customers. And finally, the news that we've been waiting for a very long time. Adobe released a new version of Magento open source and Adobe Commerce with security patches and number of cool features. First of all, Magento 2.4.3 brings Page Builder to the open source version. Page Builder simplifies the process of the page's creation and thanks to the visual editor. After the update, you will have higher freedom of adding new content to the website and customizing it. Another addition is Live Search, an artificial intelligent enhanced search. This solution streamlines the search process on your website and provides more advanced search options. It provides AI-enabled search by synonyms, predictive search, custom recommendations, and much more. Adobe also integrated reCAPTCHA for the checkout page to provide higher security at the most important stage of customer journey. If you want to enjoy all benefits of the Uploader system, upgrade to the latest version of your e-commerce platform. The Magento P2A team also released a new version of Magento P2A Studio with some quality fixes and new features. Wishlists, first introduced in version 9 of P2A Studio, is now a complete feature in Venia Storefront. The feature has multi with list support and gives shoppers the ability to save products that would like to buy for the future. The team also started to work on the viral product feature and plans to deliver in the upcoming releases. It seems that a lot of useful features are on the way to the PAA store owners. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't done it yet. This month we'll also release a new video that will help you to get your website ready for the holiday sales seasons. Stay tuned!